As a part of their social studies lesson, the grade 5 students actively participated in a skit based on the Dandi March. The students beautifully portrayed Mahatma Gandhi and his followers marching from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi to protest against the British salt law. Through this performance, the students learned the values of truth, non-violence, courage, and unity. The skit helped them understand how peaceful protest can bring great change. It also gave a strong message to everyone that freedom is achieved through determination and honesty, not violence.
A village near Dandi, Gujarat. Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu and other freedom fighters are preparing to embark on the march. The Dandi March, also known as the Soil March, was a pivotal event in India's struggle for independence.
Friends, today we begin our journey to Dandi to protest the unjust salt tax imposed by the British. We will march peacefully but firmly. Mahatma Ji, the nation is with you. We'll show the British that we won't be silenced.
You are an inciting rebellion, Gandhi. We will not tolerate this.
We are not inciting rebellion, but demanding our right to remain silent. It's a matter of freedom and dignity.
We will not back down. We face the consequences, but we fight for our right. The Dandi March was a pivotal moment in India's freedom struggle, showcasing non-violent resistance and unity. The nation against British, led by Mahatma Gandhi, inspiring generation to fight for independence and self-rule.